Hey everyone, my name is Rob with DEWALT Anchoring and Fastening. Today we're going to walk through how to install DEWALT Wood-Knocker II plus cast-in-place inserts. Please note that this is not a substitute for the product instruction manual. All users of this product need to read the instruction manual prior to any installation of DEWALT anchoring systems. The first thing we'll discuss is personal protective equipment, known as PPE. Always wear all the appropriate ANSI or NIOSH rated PPE. Reference the DEWALT instruction manual as well as your company safety guidelines to determine the appropriate PPE depending on the tool, anchor, and application you'll be doing. When installing DEWALT anchors, it's important to always wear eye protection, gloves, and other PPE, and to use the appropriate dust extraction equipment. First, position the Wood-Knocker II Plus insert onto the formwork with the plastic facing down. Next, using a hammer or the installation tool, drive the Wood-Knocker insert down until the head contacts the plastic. After the formwork removal, remove the nails as necessary. This will give you a flush-mounted fixture. Now, you can attach the threaded rod or bolt through the plastic thread seal cover and into the insert. Turn until the steel element is fully threaded and simply attach your fixture. If you're utilizing the Wood-Knocker II Plus push-in anchors, push the threaded rod or bolt through the plastic thread seal cover and into the insert until the steel element is fully seated. That's it. You're ready to install DEWALT Wood-Knocker II Plus anchors.